Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add audio to your designs in Canva. So whether it is music, voiceover or sound effects, you can easily add the audio in your Canva template. So to begin with, open your web browser and search for canva.com. Once you are at Canva, simply just provide your login credentials and login into your account. Then you can either open an existing design or you can start a new video, presentation or animated post. For this video, I have opened my presentation and it looks something like this. In order to add audio over here, we need to just try to find the audio tab. That tab will be in the apps section. So simply hover over to the left hand section and click on apps. In the apps, you will see the sixth option of audio. So you need to just click on it. Over here, you will see a bunch of different audios that you can get from the Canvas library. Some of these will be free and some of these will be the premium tracks. If you see this type of pro icon right next to any of the tracks, it simply means that that particular track is premium. So here you can filter the track out with the help of the genre, mood and length. You need to click on the track in order to preview it, and once you have found the one that you want to add, you just have to simply click on it and it will be automatically added to your timeline. Currently it will look something like this, so you can adjust it. So if you want to use your own voiceovers, you just have to scroll to the up and click on the upload option. So once you click on the upload option, you can just simply select your own audio files from your laptop or PC, and then you can drag it into the timeline and you can adjust it based on the length of your project. Now you need to click on the audio in the timeline in order to trim it or adjust its volume, or in order to add the fade in and fade out. You can move the audio to match it with the visuals perfectly. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.